What's he doing?
What is this? I'm gonna say something to him real quick.
No.
No, you don't want me to? You want me to?
Yeah, just let him go.
Dude, look at this. Dude, he's trying to break in. He's literally trying to break into a cop car.
He's trying to break into the car.
What an idiot.
You can't see.
Fantastic.
Tinted windows at the finest. Oh my gosh.
Here, come on.
You can't break into a cop vehicle. No.
You want me to? You
Just
decide to keep going?
Yeah, watch. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. All right, you want me to roll down the window?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Ready?
Yeah, do it.
Excuse me, sir. Hey, how? Oh, did he faint?
He fainted.
Sir, are you okay? Sir?